What you focus on grows. So, for the next few minutes, give this your full attention because watching people step into more alignment, more courage, more truth might just expand what you believe you're ready to receive in your own life.
So I'm feeling very calm and content. Like whenever I'm sitting anywhere, I'm feeling so calm that I can instantly fall asleep. That is a sign that I'm feeling very relaxed and chilled out. That was needed because in our day-to-day life, I'm always running on the go, like super charged up, excited. It's very difficult to slow down. So the effect I see is that I feel calm. My best moment was on the day one when we did that activity, who I am. Before that, I was just sitting and I was wondering who I am. What could be the answer for that? But by the time my turn came and I was thinking about it, I had a self-realization that I'm here to celebrate myself because I went through that journey in my mind. Oh, you've come a long way. It's time to celebrate yourself. This is what who you are. This is who I am.
And her energy is so strong. She literally built her business under 1 minute. This is how big of an entrepreneur she is.
Third, independent business.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks to you for pushing and brainstorming this
Let's
idea
go.
with me.
The experience of waterfall was surreal. It was very unique in its way. I had an awesome experience. Then the later part where I was sitting and just observing the waterfall, it was heavenly. The way water was falling from the mountain. Beloved Kumarji was playing the flute was perfect. Everything was perfect. Retreat experience is awesome. And I definitely see a lot of inner work happening. I know who I am. I finally know who I am. I finally figure out who I am. I realize who I am. So far, it is so good. The best part is I like the people, the environment. Everything is adding up to it, you know. Even the staff of the retreat, Yuvika herself, and the people around, energy. And thanks to you guys, doing a wonderful job.
Second day is awesome. I am loving the place. I'm loving the food. I'm loving Yuvika. It's been a good day so far. What is that one experience that you had, which was like, whoa, I didn't expect that I can feel this too? I think when we started the session and the first session when we entered and you placed your hand on the forehead, the surge of energy I was not expecting. That was really exceptional for me. It was new, like I have not experienced that.
I would recommend this retreat to somebody who's starting their journey, trying to understand themselves. So this is what this retreat actually gave me. I answered a very crucial question through this. Who am I? And it was the most connecting thing, Yuvika. Trust me, it really shifted me. People were looking out for themselves as to what am I doing, where am I going, I don't know if this is right for me, I don't think I'm aligned. They should be here. You really need her. She's wonderful, she's fabulous, she will guide you through it and she will take her good time to understand what you're going through, and that's the best part about you.
Day has been very relaxing. It started beautifully with the waterfall thing that I thoroughly enjoyed. It was so relaxed and we were like on our own, right? I feel so peaceful and so calm in this moment, and we were allowed to just be with ourselves, with nature and the flute. And before I leave, I'm going to get what I've come for. That's for sure. I'm opening up. That is something I'm realizing because I take a lot of time to settle and open up and all of that. But now it's slowly changing. I'm getting into the vibe of this place is amazing. Nothing like how I expected. This beyond the videos that you have sent. To be here and see this is one of the best places I've ever stayed. Meeting you is the highlight, right? The energy, the vibe, and the clarity that you have in life. Not everyone has that.
We too started very well. We had a pleasant experience in the yoga session, followed by the sessions conducted by Yuvika. Second, where we had to face the nature and then alternate with facing the wall, and we had to share our experiences. It was really a good one.
I think this is eat, love and meditation.
Would you recommend your younger self to come to this retreat?
I would not just recommend, I caution. Because I really feel that I wish I had this knowledge, this forum and things like this at a very early age, or I would have been Kabaras. But today I feel alive and I'm receiving. Because I'm ready.
This place has some beautiful vibes. I actually enhanced my meditative spirit here.